Hello, you inquisitive human beings. I'm Larry Chitel, and welcome to I Gotta Know, where you finally get to the bottom of things. Today's story is about a man that just doesn't get enough credit. Willis Carrier. Carrier is the underappreciated engineer who in 1902 came up with a little thing called air conditioning. Carrier was working at the Buffalo Forge Company, and his assignment was not to cool people off on hot days, but it was to figure out how to help a printing company located in Brooklyn. The high humidity was affecting their paper and their ink, and all the images were blurry. Willis Carrier was able to build a machine that could control the humidity, control the temperature, control the air circulation, and filter the air as well. Carrier founded his Carrier Corporation in 1915, and in 1925, Paramount Pictures installed air conditioning at the Rivoli Theater in New York. They advertised this new cool comfort, and on Memorial Day, over 2,000 people showed up. Willis Carrier said about it, "It was like a World Series crowd. And they were not only curious, but they were very skeptical too. And we were plenty worried. Well, thankfully the air conditioner kicked in and it worked beautifully." And Carrier added, "We stopped them cold, and we breathed the big sigh of relief." When you say I gotta know, it's right here you gotta go.